off of a bigger branch or limb, and you selectively actually remove limbs, not just the branches or the side shoots off the limb. So
because those limbs create too much weight at the end, and then that creates like that sail effect.
You're just kind of making the tree look weird.
Now y'all both know I'm just a
Bumblebee Plumbing. Give us a buzz, 623-404-1233. BumblebeePlumbingAZ.com.
Cruising through another beautiful Arizona Saturday morning. Gonna pull into the lot here at Sanderson Ford. The heat is on, and so are the deals at Sanderson Ford this Father's Day weekend. We've got Max Surstens, John Pratt. We've sent him off on summer vacation. Tell us about what's going on today at Father's Day weekend.
Well, I wish I was on vacation, but I'm not. But happy Father's Day, Raleigh.
And to you.